Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jimmy, and in today's video we will take a look at the HBADA E3 Pro, and this is the 2026 edition, and it has the world's first 3-zone elastic lumbar support. The HBADA E3 Pro offers 4D dual access headrest. It also has a 720-degree omnifunctional arm, and it's made up of cloud mesh. It also offers 4-position lock and a recline up to 140 degrees. It also has a auto balance mechanism, and when it comes down to some of the materials, it does have a steel base plus a class 4 gas lift and quiet casters. The E3 Pro is made up of cloud mesh, so it is a 4-way weaving technology, so really the elasticity has been increased by 83%, which again, it also has a pressure distribution improvement by 21%, so everything is just more evenly dispersed. Elasticity, the decay has been reduced by 56%, so that means that it is resulting in greater durability, meaning over time it will decay. It's not going to be as elastic. They were able to fix it with this chair here and able to reduce it by 56%. Let's take a look at the headrest. So this offers a 4D dual axis headrest, which means you're able to rotate it and move it, lift it, push it forward, push it back in any direction. It also has a 40-meter height adjustment. You're able to move it 70 millimeters either forward or backwards, and it has a 70-degree dual axis rotation, which means you're able to rotate it up as well as down. Let's take a look at the backrest. So this is where it has 80 millimeters of movement, and you have locking mechanisms where it's able to hold it in each position. And once you get it to the very top position, then that's when you're able to bring it all the way down. Once you get it into a position, it is able to be locked. Let's take a look at the world's first 3-zone elastic lumbar support. And I mean, there is 8 directional controls with this thing. It's wild. And with that lumbar support, it's able to move and adjust with my body. As I lean back, it is leaning back and adjusting with me. It is very seamless, and you can barely even notice it's moving until you actually feel the relief it has for your lower back. It's able to move 1.6 inches. You're also able to change its height wherever you would like it to be, depending on your body type. You can have it all the way to the top, the middle, or the bottom, and it's still able to move with you. With those wings, they're able to move left and right and in and out 40 degrees. Let's take a look at the 720-degree omnifunctional arm. Now, when it comes down to this, you're able to rotate the main axis 360 degrees. There's also a secondary axis rotation of 360 degrees, and it has 60 millimeters where you're able to either pull it forwards or backwards. It has a 70 millimeter height adjustment, and also 26% upward fold, and then a 13% downward fold, so you're able to fold it up, you can fold it down, and it also offers 40-degree sync when you recline. The leg rest is super nice. It is built in. It comes with that bottom seat. You simply slide it out, you flip it over, and you're able to either just lay your legs on it or place your feet onto that, and I kind of do a mixture of the two because it's very comfortable to sit this way. And let's talk about all the ways that you're able to recline. Again, you're able to recline all the way up to 140 degrees. Now, there are 4-position locking. The first one's going to be 105 degrees, which is the first position, and that's really focusing on work and maintaining an upright spine. Then you also have the 115 and 130 degree, which is your second and the third gear. Basically, it's good for entertainment, gaming, video conferencing, and basically just allowing your body to stretch naturally. And for the fourth gear, it is at 140 degrees. So if you want, you can pair that with the adjustable footrest. So you're able to just pull this out and you can take a quick nap. Or if you're in that position, what I found nice is I'm able to lift my armrest up, and it keeps my forearms and everything perfect for reading a book or reading a tablet or looking at my phone or something like that when you are taking a little bit of a rest from your computer. For the unboxing and the assembly, everything has been packaged nicely and wrapped up. And also the instructions for the assembly is also very simple. And here's everything in the box. There's your backrest, your seat rest. This right there is for your head. This is the left armrest. There's your 5 wheels. That's the portion that just kind of holds everything together. Here's the pump. There's your manual along with a screwdriver, all the tools you need, and the right armrest. Everything packaged nicely and everything wrapped up. I did actually watch the assembly video that was on the HBADA website first, and it made this process so much easier. Even though the instructions is very, very good and detailed, you just place on all 5 of the legs, get them screwed in. You place on that little metal spacer. This is where you're able to snap all 5 of those very quiet wheels in, and then you put in the air lift. Underneath the base of the seat, you'll find 2 screws, and then you just screw in the controller there. This is where you're able to put in the very first portion of your armrest. So you put in the left and the right for the armrest, and then once that bottom portion's there, then you replace in the top portion, and that's actually the armrest itself with the cushion. Again, very simple to read with the instructions. And then you're able to attach the bottom seat to that portion there, which is basically your lumbar support and the armrests and everything. Once that is complete, then you'll just place it onto the air lift, and then the last portion is going to be the headrest. You'll be able to snap it in, and then you get them screwed in with 2 screws. Let me share with you my final thoughts on this chair. First off, yes, it is one of those that has that mesh bottom, so it is breathable, but it is woven to the fact that it's going to evenly distribute all of your weight, so it is super comfortable. You also have this lumbar support right here, which moves as you sit down. You can adjust however high or low you want it to be. Once it's in that position, it has this movement right there. So when you're moving around the chair, it's going to move around with you. And really quick, I'm not going to do big comparisons, but you can see here, this is the headrest. Here's the lumbar support. When it comes onto the arm, it can really just move this. It is able to move forward and backwards and up and down, and that's really it. So there is really nothing to move, as you saw with this one. It just has everything that can move in any way possible. Over here in the wife's office, we do have another chair over here that is mesh, but it's one that's not really as comfortable. It is woven, it is breathable, but again, not comfortable, and she has to have a cushion that is on that seat. So for this one, when she was using it for 2 straight days, about 8 or 9 hours, 0 issues, no complaints. And then you got your footrest. Again, you can lay like this. You can put your foot up like this if you want to. However you want to do it. It's nice. So this is super comfortable. Great addition, because underneath the wife's office desk is one of those little swinging thingies that you can place your feet onto. So she had to purchase additional accessories to get something to put her feet up. With this, it just comes with it. So as I have said, this chair is super comfortable. Every single thing moves in any direction that you want it, from the armrest to the headrest to the lumbar support. You know, you can bring your seat, you can bring it up. You can also bring it down. You have 4 different locking positions. So within any type of work environment or casual environment that you're doing, you can get this thing locked. So once it's locked, then you can't go any further. When you unlock it, once you go past that point, you hit the little lock button, and then now it's locked in this position. And it's gonna stay in that position until you push it back and it comes all the way back up. Sometimes these mesh chairs, they can kind of get against your skin a little bit, but so far I have not ran into that with this chair. The only thing I'd probably suggest for them in terms of improvement is the armrests kind of move a little bit too simple. I kind of wish it would stay kind of locked into place just a little bit, harder, a little bit longer, because sometimes what's happening is I might just want to move my chair, but I'm just moving an armrest. So in conclusion, I do highly suggest this chair. It is comfortable, and it's gonna do and reach every single need that you're looking for, if it's for gaming, casual, or if it's for work. Again, thank you for HBADA for sending this chair out for review. Also, make sure to check the description as well as the top pinned comment below for a exclusive purchase link as well as a discount code. If you guys appreciated this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely, you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.